today we are going to learn how to make the rest of this year the best of our years. Hello and thank you so much for watching. I am Ijapari, Gyang, the mom on point. You are welcome to my channel where I help people to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. So if you are ready to take your business to the next level, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so that you get latest notification on our videos, be it on entrepreneurship, on starting an online business, how to grow, how to profit, and much more. So but before I go into details, I want you to note this. Failure or limitation of the past have no control over the greatness that is in you. And success belongs to those who wake up every morning and pursue their dreams, regardless of the hardship, regardless of the disappointments, regardless of the struggles, regardless of the insult, regardless of the rejection, and much more. For success is for those who have said, it is not going to be over until I win. It is for those who don't suffer from what will people say syndrome. It is for those who does not wait for everybody to believe in their dreams before they start. So how can we make the rest of this year the best of our year? Number one is, the first step you need to do is to kill your excuses and procrastination. This is one thing that is a must-have for every entrepreneur. You need to be self-disciplined. And I want to share with you one book that changed my life on killing procrastination is this, No Excuse by Brian Tracy. This book has changed my life a lot and I decided to share it with you. So as an entrepreneur, be it that you are doing an online business or offline business, you need to learn how to discipline yourself. You need to learn how to do what you are supposed to do. You need to know and discipline yourself to know when to wake up, when to learn more, when to share, and much more. So if you want to make the rest of this year your best of the year, you need to read this. And if you have read it before, you need to read it again. You need to learn how to discipline yourself. You need to learn how to stop procrastination and learn how to kill your excuses. So the next step you need to do, or next step to follow in order to make the rest of this year your best time ever, is to hang out with people who are more knowledgeable than you are. You need to avoid hanging out with people that will bring you down, people that are so negatively minded, and much more. Have you ever come across the word that says, show me your friend and I will tell you who you are? Or have you ever come across the word that says your network determine your network? So who are you hanging with? It is very important. You need to have a partner, someone that you share your goal with, someone that can hold you responsibility. Like accountability partner is very important, especially with online business. If you keep everything to yourself, you kind of, in as far as people don't know about it, and you just be doing it anyhow or anyway, like whenever you feel like. But by the time you have an accountability partner, it's going to help you. That's why having a coach is like a must-have if you are in the online business space. You need to hang around with people that are more knowledgeable than you are. Like one way I do this is I find someone that is in the business that is doing what I'm doing and is even doing better than I am. I share with her my goals and my priorities, what I want to achieve in this year. And I give her the deadline that any time that I did not get this, or I did not publish this book, or I did not do this by so time, you find me so amount of money. So it's very important. It works like magic. It will help you to do what you're supposed to do, especially if you are dealing with online business. You feel like, oh, I have my time, I can do it whenever, however. Please, you need to learn this. Hang with people that are more knowledgeable than you and learn from them. The next step to make the rest of this year the best time of your year is you need to add value to people. Adding value to people's life is something that, like when I am having one-on-one conversation with some of my clients or some of my students, I discover that almost every entrepreneur have humanity in mind. So if you want to make this year one of the best year ever, you need to have people in mind, have the interest of people in mind, and add value. The moment you are adding value to people, be it for free or is for paid, you will discover that you will be uplifted and you'll be wanting to do more. So the next step I want to share with you again right now is learn how to feed your focus. One way I do this is I always have a vision board. I have it, I screenshot it, I snap it, I make it my screensaver, I put it on my dressing mirror, and I put it wherever. However, it's very important. By so doing, it reminds me to feed my focus. Okay, I know I have to do YouTube video no matter what. I have to do it. So I want to self-publish a book, or I want to write a book. I know that, okay, even though it's just a word in a day, or I need to watch a particular video on YouTube to learn about that particular thing I want to achieve, I have to do that. You have to learn to feed your focus. So what are you focusing at? What do you want to achieve? What do you want to accomplish? Are you feeding it? Or you are just imagining it and you just let it be? It's not enough for you to imagine. Yes, imagination is good, but even though you imagine without taking action or feeding your focus, you aren't going anywhere. So you need to stay focused, feed your focus, learn what you need to learn, unlearn what you need to unlearn, so that you will make the rest of this year your best year ever. The next thing you need to do, the next step I want to share with you, is you need to build mutual relationship with those who are already where you want to be. One of the books that helped me understand this clearly is How to Build Friends and Influence People. That is a must read book to every entrepreneur. Just like as I'm just doing this video, it just occurred to me, I'm going to prepare another video. I'm going to share 10 or 15 books that changed my life. Literally, people that knows me before, they are kind of surprised. How comes? How did you metamorphose to this? You that you are shy, you that you are this. How come all this happened? Looking at my background, where I come from, and standing right now doing this video is something that changed my life a lot. Even me myself, you ask me to tell you everything step by step, I will be shocked, because if I flash back, honestly, this is the new me. This is something I want to be. So it's very important you build your relationship, build mutual relationship with people. It doesn't have to be that much money. Like, I remember when I signed up to Brian Tracy, one of his courses, not just because I just want to learn, but because I want to build a relationship with him. I want to have a personal one-on-one conversation with him via phone or even chatting. So it's very important you build mutual relationship with people that are where you want to be. The next step I will be sharing with you is constantly visualize where you want to be and be ready to pay the price to get there. It's very important. It's one thing for you to visualize where you want to be. It's another thing for you to be ready to pay the price in order to get there. Like one book that helped me is this: Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This is another book that changed my life. It's not all about you thinking and visualizing again. You need to be ready to pay the price in order to get there. It's one thing for you to imagine, it's one thing for you to know, it's one thing for you to learn, but it's another thing entirely for you to be ready to pay the price. Like, I have to pay a price of like shooting. Like right now, I have to put my phone, I'm using my phone to shoot this video, and I have to off my data. I have to put my phone on flight mode so that I will be focused, so that I will avoid any form of distraction. So that will lead us to another step. The next thing, another step that will help you to make this year the best of your year, so that you'll be able to smash all your goals, is you need to avoid any form of distraction. If you are focused and this is what you want to do, you need to avoid other forms of distraction. If you know that you have to write and publish a book, or you want to write a chapter, or at least even one page of a book, you need to shun some distraction. You need to block some things away. If it means you offing your data so that you don't get any notification for as of that time, you have to do that. Learn how to shun other distractions, so that you'll be focused and achieve your goal, because the year is running down. This is the month of September. It is very important. A lot of people, I was having conversation with some of my clients. They were like, some of them have gone far, and meanwhile some people, the reason why I'm getting more clients at this moment is because the year is going down. This is September, and they have not achieved they have not even achieved like 30% of their goal, and this is why I decided to share this video with you so that it will help you. This is some of the things I share with my clients. So it is very important. You need to kill excuses and procrastination. You need to hang out with people that are more knowledgeable than you. You need to block and destroy any form of distraction. You need to always focus on feed your focus, add value to people's life. You need to build mutual relationship with people that are there, and you need to constantly visualize your vision and be ready to pay the price to get there. I want you to remember this: wealth is not a jackpot. It's not something you just sleep and wake up one morning to meet wealth. Wealth is something that you have to deliberately plant it, water it, and patiently wait for it to grow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so that you receive latest notification on entrepreneurship, online business, self-publishing, and how to monetize your passion. Until I come your way in the next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.